Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I'm so busy, like it's some kind of badge of honor? It's almost like we're trying to prove something, not just to others, but maybe even to ourselves. Our culture has this obsession with busyness. It's like, if you're not juggling a million things at once, are you even enough? But here's the thing, being busy doesn't necessarily mean being productive or even fulfilled. I'll never forget the week I finally realized just how much being busy was holding me back. I was running around like crazy, meetings, calls, emails, errands. It felt like I was always doing something. My calendar was packed from morning to night. And at the end of each day, I thought, wow, look how much I've done and look how productive I am. But then something strange happened. I was asked to give a presentation on my big wins for the quarter. And when I sat down to think about it, I drew a blank. I was busy, but I hadn't really accomplished anything that really mattered. All I had to show was a bunch of small tasks and plenty of busy work. That was such an eye-opener for me. I realized I'd been caught in the trap of glorifying busyness, equating it to a packed schedule with success. But the truth, all that busyness wasn't getting me anywhere. In fact, it was holding me back from focusing on the things that really mattered, things that would actually bring me closer to my goal. Does this resonate with you? If you've ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, but not really moving forward, stick with me. We're going to break down why being busy isn't a badge of honor and how you can start living and working with real intention. Let's talk about how we got here. Somewhere along the way, busyness became synonymous with success. It's almost like we wear our packed schedule as this badge of honor and a way of proving our worth. But where did this mindset come from? A lot of it ties back to history, to the Industrial Revolution. Productivity and efficiency became the gold standard for value, both in the workplace and society. But over time, we started to equate long hours and relentless work with dedication and success. And now in this digital age, it's gotten worse. Technology keeps us constantly connected. And somewhere along the way, we decided that if we're not busy, we're falling behind. But here's the catch. Being busy doesn't mean you're productive, valuable, or successful. That's just a myth we've bought into. Think about it. How often do you hear someone say, I was just so busy today. But when you ask them what they actually accomplished, they don't have a meaningful answer. Being busy often just means filling up your time with tasks, many of which are low impact or even unnecessary. The truth is, busyness can mask a lack of focus. It gives the illusion of progress, but really it's just distraction. So there's some research from Harvard Business Review that found that people who overwork and constantly multitask often perform worse and experience more stress than those who focus on fewer, high-priority tasks. Because let's be honest, how much of our busyness is just avoiding the deeper, more meaningful work? And how much of it is seeking validation, like convincing others that we're enough because our schedules are full? The irony is, real success often comes when we slow down, focus, and let go of the need to prove our worth through busyness. Let's get real for a sec. Being busy comes with some pretty steep hidden costs. First, your mental health. When you're constantly on juggling endless to-do lists, it's like running a marathon that never ends. Stress builds up, anxiety creeps in, and before you know it, burnout takes you out. Then there's your relationships. How many times have you had to say, sorry, I can't. I'm just too busy, to someone you love? Busyness steals the meaningful connections away. Sure, you might be crushing your work goals, but are you sacrificing quality time with the people who matter most? And what's the point? And let's not forget clarity and creativity. Your brain needs downtime to spark ideas and solve problems. When you're constantly in hustle mode, you don't have space to think outside the box. Remember Steve Jobs? He was known for taking long walks to clear his head and find inspiration. Ariana Huffington talks about how prioritizing rest transformed her life and work. These are people who learn the value of slowing down to speed up. So if you've been caught up in the busyness trap, you're not alone. But there's a better way, a way to work and live with more purpose, less stress, and a lot more fulfillment. Let's explore how to make that shift. Now, here's the good news. There is a better way: intentionality. It's about working smarter, not more complex, and prioritizing what truly matters. When we are intentional, we get to be present and not multitasking, losing time or focus. 3 quick and simple tools. First, cut through the noise and focus on your daily 3. At the start of your day, identify the 3 biggest things. If you got them done, it would make all the difference in moving the needle towards your goals. Second, don't underestimate the power of rest. Rest isn't slacking, it's strategy. Research shows that rest boosts productivity, creativity, and overall performance. So schedule some white space in your calendar. Time to just reflect, recharge, or just breathe. And third, time blocking. Instead of letting your day run you, you run your day. Here's how it works. Break your day into blocks of time and assign each block for a specific task or focus area. For example, 9 to 10 is for deep work, 10:30 to 11 for emails, and so on. The beauty of time blocking is that it forces you to prioritize. You're no longer multitasking or reacting to everything that comes your way. You're being proactive about your time. Plus, it creates clear boundaries so you're not checking emails during family dinner or squeezing work in during your downtime. So let's recap. Being busy isn't a sign of success. It's a distraction. What matters is alignment, rest, and intentional action. Here's your challenge. Let go of the phrase, "I'm so busy this week." Instead, say, "I'm focused on what matters." And let me know in the comments below how this changes your perspective.